Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak English with Alex. I'm so happy you are here today.
And hi everyone, I'm Emma, and today we have something very special for beginners.
What is it, Emma?
Today, we are going to have a very simple, very clear conversation about everyday topics so you can listen, read, and improve your English.
That's right. We will speak slowly. We will use easy words, and we will repeat important sentences.
So, put on your headphones, get comfortable, and listen carefully. You can also read the subtitles on the screen.
Before we start, please subscribe to the channel. It is free, and it helps us so much. Okay, let's begin. Part 1. Greetings and Introductions. Emma, let's start with something very simple. How are you today?
I am great, thank you, Alex. I am feeling happy and relaxed. How about you?
I am doing very well, thank you. The weather is beautiful today. The sun is shining.
Oh, I love sunny days. They make me feel energetic.
Me too. Now, let's introduce ourselves to our listeners. My name is Alex.
And my name is Emma. It is very nice to meet you.
Let's repeat that. Listen carefully, then say it with us. My name is Alex.
My name is Emma.
Very good. Now, Emma, where are you from?
I am from Canada. I live in Toronto. It is a big and beautiful city.
Oh, Canada. I have never been there. What is the weather like in Toronto?
Well, it changes a lot. In winter, it is very cold. Sometimes it snows a lot. But in summer, it is warm and sunny.
That sounds nice. I am from the United States. I live in Chicago. It is also a big city.
Chicago. I have heard it is very windy.
Yes, people call Chicago the Windy City. It is true. It is often windy there.
Now let's practice introductions. Listen and repeat.
I am from Canada.
I live in a big city.
Excellent. Keep practicing. Emma, can you tell us about your family?
Of course, I have a small family. There are 4 people in my family.
Who are they?
My parents, my younger brother, and me.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. His name is Oliver. He is orange and very friendly.
I love cats. What about you, Alex? Tell us about your family. I have a big family. There are 6 people. My parents, my 2 sisters, my younger brother, and me.
6 people? That is a big family. Do you see them often?
I try to visit them every month. They live about 2 hours away, so I drive to see them.
That is very nice. Family is important.
Let's practice family vocabulary. Listen and repeat. I have a mother and a father.
I have a brother and a sister.
My family is big.
My family is small.
Great job! You are learning new words.
Emma, can you tell us about your free time?
I have a few hobbies. I like reading books. I also like watching movies. And I love cooking.
You like cooking? What do you cook?
Simple things. Pasta, soup, rice, and vegetables. I'm not a professional chef, but I enjoy it.
That is wonderful. I also like cooking, but my favorite hobby is hiking.
Hiking? Where do you go hiking?
There are many beautiful trails near Toronto. I like to walk in nature. It helps me relax.
That sounds very peaceful. I should try hiking one day.
Yes, you will love it. Now let's practice talking about hobbies.
I like reading books.
I like cooking dinner.
My hobby is watching movies.
I love hiking in the mountains.
Perfect. Now you can talk about your hobbies too.
Alex, let's talk about our daily routines. What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Sometimes I hit the snooze button once or twice.
I hit the snooze button many times. I am not a morning person.
What time do you wake up, Alex? I wake up at 6:30, but I stay in bed until 7. I like to wake up slowly.
What do you do after you wake up?
First, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I make coffee.
Coffee is very important.
It is essential. I cannot function without coffee.
What about breakfast? Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I usually eat eggs and toast. Sometimes I have yogurt with fruit.
That is healthy. I eat oatmeal with berries for breakfast. It is quick and delicious.
Let's practice morning routine phrases. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I brush my teeth every morning.
I drink coffee for breakfast.
I eat oatmeal with fruit.
Very good. You are building your English sentence by sentence.
Alex, do you work or study?
I work. I am an English teacher. I create content for this channel. I also teach online classes.
That is wonderful. I also work. I am a graphic designer. I design logos and websites.
That sounds very creative. Do you like your job?
Yes, I love it. I get to use my imagination every day. What about you? Do you like teaching English?
I love it. Helping people learn English makes me very happy.
Where do you work? At home or in an office?
I work from home. I have a small office in my apartment. It is very comfortable.
I work from home most days. Sometimes I go to the office for meetings.
Let's practice talking about jobs. I am a teacher.
I am a graphic designer.
I work from home.
I like my job very much.
Now you can tell someone what you do.
Alex, what do you do in the evening after work?
I usually cook dinner around 7 o'clock. Then I eat while watching a TV show.
That sounds relaxing. What do you like to watch?
I like comedies. I also enjoy nature documentaries.
Oh, I love documentaries too. They are so interesting.
After dinner, I do the dishes. Then I read a book for about 30 minutes.
Reading before bed is a great habit. What time do you go to sleep?
I try to go to bed around 10:30 or 11. I need about 7 hours of sleep.
I go to bed earlier, around 10. I like to wake up early.
You are a morning person.
Yes, I am.
Let's practice evening routine phrases. I cook dinner every evening.
I watch TV before bed.
I read a book for 30 minutes.
I go to sleep at 10 o'clock.
Excellent. Now you can describe your whole day.
Now let's practice asking and answering simple questions. This is very important for conversation.
I will ask a question. You try to answer. Then Alex will give a sample answer. Question 1. What is your name?
Good. You can say, my name is, and then your name.
Question 2. Where are you from?
You can say, I am from, and then your country or city.
Question 3. What do you like to do in your free time?
Great. You can say, I like or I love, and then your hobby.
Question 4. What time do you wake up?
Perfect. You can say, I wake up at, and then the time.
Question 5. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
You can say, yes, I have one brother, or no, I am an only child.
See? You can answer real questions in English. That is amazing.
Emma, can you tell us a story about learning English?
Of course. I remember my first real conversation in English. It was very scary.
What happened?
I was on a trip to New York. I needed to ask for directions. I was so nervous.
I understand that feeling.
I walked up to a woman on the street. I said, "Excuse me, where is the museum?"
What did she say?
She smiled and said, "Go straight 2 blocks, then turn left. You can't miss it."
Did you understand her?
I understood most of it. I said, "Thank you very much," and I found the museum.
That is a beautiful story. You were brave. You used your English, and it worked.
Yes, the most important thing is to try. Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Let's practice the phrases Emma used. Excuse me, where is the museum?
Thank you very much.
You can't miss it.
These are very useful phrases for travel.
Okay, everyone, let's review the key vocabulary from today. Emma, what is our first word?
Number 1, family. Mother, father, brother, sister. People you live with or love.
Number 2, hobby. Something you do for fun in your free time. Reading, cooking, hiking.
Number 3, routine. The things you do every day. Wake up, eat breakfast, go to work.
Number 4, job. The work you do to earn money. Teacher, designer, doctor.
Number 5, question. A sentence that asks for information. What, where, when, why, how.
Number 6, answer. What you say after a question.
Try to use these words today. Write them down, say them out loud.
Now it is your turn. Use everything you learned today. Introduce yourself.
Answer these questions out loud. 1 sentence each. What is your name?
Where are you from?
What is your favorite hobby?
What time do you wake up?
You just introduced yourself in English. That is wonderful. Be proud of yourself.
Remember, every small step is progress. Every word you learn brings you closer to fluency. Thank you so much for practicing with us today.
You listened, you read, you repeated, you improved your English.
If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more easy English conversations.
And share this video with a friend who is also learning English. Learning together is more fun.
Now we have a question for you. Write your answer in the comments below.
What is one thing you learned today?
Even one word is great. We read every comment.
For me, I learned that sharing stories makes learning easier.
For me, I learned that you all are amazing learners.
Thank you, Alex, and thank you, everyone.
See you in the next episode. Keep listening, keep reading, keep speaking. Your English is getting better every single day. Bye, everyone.
Bye.